My name is Zell. I'm a conservator, and I work with students here in the dig for a 2-day assignment of identifying and creating a conservation plan. Each student gets a section of a wall and identify the problems and create a conservation plan that is handed as a written assignment. So we do this together, and it's really exciting working here now.
Okay, I stopped. Do you want to talk a little bit about conservation? What's the point of it? Why do you do it?
The conservation that is done in the dig in Akko is a conservation in between the periods of excavation. So the main objective of the conservation operation is a shorter supporting the finds between the digs. We don't yet do any permanent long-term conservation operations here, but we do learn about the condition and analyze the condition. So when the day comes and it's time for conservation for long-term, we'll have the knowledge and we'll have the mapping of the problems that we can do the conservation later on.